Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss which is better, Notion or Things 3. Let's begin. Okay, so Notion and Things 3 are both productivity tools but cater to different aspects of organization and productivity, which we are going to explore in a few seconds. Okay, so to begin with, Things 3 is a popular task management application. It's developed by Cultured Code. It's designed to help users organize, manage, and track their tasks and to-dos efficiently across Mac OS, iOS, and iPad OS devices. So please take note of that. All right. Moving forward, the app features a clean and intuitive design, making it easy for users to organize their tasks seamlessly. Users can create tasks or group them into projects, set deadlines, add subtasks, create checklists, and organize tasks into different categories for better organization. And Things 3 offers a quick entry feature, allowing users to add tasks swiftly without interrupting their workflow. It includes a today view that highlights tasks due for the current day, enabling users to focus on daily priorities. Users can set reminders and due dates for tasks, helping them stay on track with the deadlines. Now, the app syncs seamlessly across Mac OS, iOS, and iPad OS devices, ensuring that tasks are up to date and accessible across all Apple devices. All right. And also, Things 3 allows users to assign tags and filters, to making it easier to organize and sort tasks based on specific criteria or categories. It offers also a shortcuts and intuitive gestures that enhance the user experience and speed up task management. Now, when we hover around here, this is basically the feature of Things 3. In one word, everything. The app has been completely rebuilt from the ground up with a timeless new design, delightful interactions, and powerful new features, all right? So if you want more information about Things 3, I suggest you go at their official website and download the app. You click play on here, all right? Basically, the interactions are delightful, the animations are smooth, the content is more structured, and the concepts are clearer, as you can see it here. I'm using Things 3 on my iPad. So basically, I can't say the other is more better, but it depends really on some certain features and certain situations that you can take advantage of their features, right? And of course, it's available on Mac, iOS, all right? Dive and conquer and keeping it together. And again, we have a separate comparison videos for Notion, so you might want to check our channel. But basically, it's a powerful all-in-one workspace and productivity tool that combines note-taking, project management, database organization, and collaboration features in a single platform. It offers a flexible and customizable environment where users can create, organize content in various formats to suit their needs. Now, Notion uses a block-based system where users can create content using different types of blocks such as text, images, to-do lists, tables, databases, calendars, and more. And this allows for highly structured and customizable content creation. Notion offers a wide range of templates for various purposes, such as this one, as you can see it right here. And users have extensive control over how they organize and structure their workspace. They can even create pages, subpages, and databases and link them together to create an interconnected system of information. Notion supports collaboration in real time, allowing multiple users to work on documents and projects simultaneously. It offers features for commenting and sharing and assigning tasks within the workspace. And also, Notion can integrate with other apps and services, allowing users to embed content from external sources like Google Drive, Trello, Figma, and more directly into their Notion workspace. It's also available on various devices and platforms including web browsers, desktop applications, Windows and Mac OS, mobile devices, iOS and Android, ensuring users can access and work on their content from anywhere. And again, if you want more information about Notion, I suggest you go at their website and check the pricing as well. All right, it pays to check. So now that we have all of that, let's check the side-by-side comparison for both. Now, while it allows for sharing of tasks or projects, Things 3 is primarily designed for individual use and might not be as suitable for extensive team collaboration or shared project management. It's exclusive for Apple devices, so users on other platforms such as Windows or Android won't have access to the app. All right, so please take note of that because some users might find Things 3 lacking in certain advanced features present in their more comprehensive project management or task tracking tools. It's more focused on simplicity rather than extensive functionalities. The app simplicity might also limit extensive customization options for users who prefer more personalized and adaptable systems. While its simplicity is a strength, power users seeking more intricate task management systems might find Things 3 too streamlined, right? Now we hover to Notion. Users with extensive databases or complex setups might experience performance issues such as slower loading times or lags, which could affect the overall user experience. While Notion is available on mobile devices, the mobile experience might not be as polished or feature-rich as the desktop version. I know this because I'm also using Notion, and some functionalities might be limited or less intuitive on mobile platforms. Collaborative features, especially for larger teams, might become costly as the pricing structure for teams or enterprise plans could be higher compared to individual use. Notion's web version lacks a dedicated offline mode, although the desktop app allows offline access. The web version requires an internet connection to access notes and documents. Exporting data from Notion, especially in bulk or specific formats, might be limited compared to other platforms, and this could be a concern for users who want more flexibility in exporting their data. All right? And as always, choosing between Notion and Things 3 depends on your specific needs and preferences. All right? Now, here's the thing. If you prioritize a versatile tool that encompasses note-taking, project management, and collaboration, I suggest Notion might be the better fit. All right. Conversely, if you're mainly focused on a straightforward and more effective personal task management, the simplicity of Things 3 might be more appealing, right? Again and again, it pays to check. So I suggest you go here at their official websites to know more about the platform. So I'm using both apps for my Mac iOS or my iOS devices. I'm using Things 3 because it's really straightforward. It's easy. But that's for like my personal use. But if I'm working with a team for my business, of course, the obvious answer is gonna be Notion. All right, because it offers a vibrant community, produces content, teaches courses, and leads events all over the world. All right, so my team right now is using Notion, but again, what I suggest is use both. All right, so you can gauge which one's better for you. Again, for personal tasks, it's gonna be Things 3, and for collaborative project, that's gonna be Notion. And that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next one.